Hey, this is a practical example of how to use Google Meet. Let's assume you already have a link and you join the call and you've already been accepted by the host of the particular meeting. Now, see what you're going to do. Let's assume you want to speak in the meeting. For by default, this is the camera, but now I don't want to show my camera and stuff. By default, your camera and you're going to be asked to allow. You're going to be asked initially to allow. You will only say allow this time, not allow anytime you're using this site. You understand? So that it doesn't automatically access it. Choose allow this time, and turn on the camera and the speaker. Yeah, that's a microphone if you want your voice to be heard initially. But you can easily change that and you can click on this place to change it as well if you want to. So now looking at this side now, you're going to see captions, to turn on the captions for each talk your each of the any speech you're making and stuff like that. Live captions on English. So if you have anyone you want them to see, you can turn it on. But we don't have anyone here. So these are the places for reactions. In case someone says something you like and you intend to just you say react to make sure you're on the meeting, you react. So this is a place to share your screen. Now I'm going to make a separate video on that. You know, this is where you can share your Chrome tab. This is a place you can share your Windows. This is where you can share. As you can see, if there are things you wanted to share here, it would have been showing by now. So sharing the entire screen, we're going to look at it later on and everything about sharing our screen. But now I'm just trying to give you an overview of everything. So now, in case you want to raise your hand, if you want to ask a question, you say Charlie Monga is raising his hand. You're raising your hand to the entire team. So this is more option, change layout, apply visual effects, report problem, report abuse, troubleshooting and help settings. So yeah, this is where you leave the call if you want to end it. And this is the side where you're going to check the members in the meeting in case there is somebody that is not supposed to be here. But first of all, if you are the host, let's assume you are the host now and you did not add them initially, you can this is where you can check the people um you're going to where you can check people on the meeting, and this is a place where you can also type messages if you want them to see anything you're typing there. This is a place you can tell them to search for it. So this is a brief overview of how to use your Google Meet. Now in my next video, I'm going to make a detailed short one on how to share your screen on Google Meet.